ito yung Angat. So the general trend for Angat currently is mag-start siya near the normal high water level at the start of the year and continuously decreasing ng February and March, April, May season. So which is today, currently is June, yung Angat is decreasing at a rate of almost half a meter per day. No? So we are expecting na umabot na ito sa critical level na 160 kung saan possible water shortages will occur kasi most of our supply of domestic water still comes from Angat. Based from our recent records, yung pagbaba ng Angat below 160, nangyari ito during the 2019 and 2010 years, both of which are also El Nino years. So this is different from our projected scenario last month na kung saan inaasahan sana natin na 280 millimeters of rainfall for June. Kaso yung observed watershed rainfall only average 127 millimeters now from June 1 to June 22. So parang hindi pa umabot sa 50% nung normal anong forecast rainfall value. Kaya naman po patuloy yung pagbaba nitong Angat. So, ito po, yung makikita niyo po rito, yung mga rainfall occurrences, parang meron lang days na umabot ng 45 millimeters of rainfall. The rest is mababa, almost 15, below 10 millimeters of rainfall. Ganun pa man, yung recovery period is still by the second or third week of July, and we are expecting Angat's water level to continuously rise until the end of the year. So, still, yung caution pa rin natin, kahit mag-recover yung Angat, is yung for the first quarter of the following year. Kasi maglilinger yung effects ng El Nino leading to the dry season of 2027. Kaya hopefully, at least umabot man lang sa normal high water level Angat by December 31.